In this week's Las Vegas Lowdown, I'm joined by Human Nature. Thanks, guys, for being here.
Thanks for having us.
And if you guys are looking for something fun to do this weekend, you can see these talented men take the stage at the Venetian. And the best part, they're doing a special for locals, 2-for-1 tickets with a valid ID, and you really can't beat that. Their jukebox show offers a little something for everyone. And guys, for those who haven't seen the show, which they're missing out, tell us a little bit about it.
Well, this week it's a bit different. We're including the Vegas Golden Knights jerseys. But we do a show, it's called Jukebox, and it's really a jukebox of all our influences through our career, you know, from the groups of the 50s and 60s right up to today. So it's a lot of fun. People are up and dancing and just having a great time. And yeah, it's a lot of fun.
And also, if you go see their show at the Venetian, it's free to park there.
Yes,
so it's a win-win for everybody, right? All right, also going on this weekend, the Las Vegas Lights are hosting the Colorado Springs Switchbacks at CASHMAN Field. The game starts at 8 p.m., but it's always fun to get there early to tailgate at the Zappos Tailgate. Tickets are still available, and the games are always really fun. And if you want to enjoy beautiful weather and relax under the night sky, you can check out the Symphony Under the Stars at Tivoli Village this Saturday. The event goes from 6 to 8 p.m. and members from the Las Vegas Philharmonic come together for this free concert, and this is the final one of the series, so don't miss it. So there's a look ahead at all the fun events going on this weekend, and don't forget to check out Human Nature at the Venetian at 7 p.m. But starting June 12th, the show will actually begin at 7:30 p.m. And also, guys, if we want to show our Golden Knight spirits, what do we got to do?
Well, actually, all through the summer, if you guys wear your jersey to our show, we'll give you a free program.
Well, there you go. Go Knights. With this week's Las Vegas Lowdown, I'm Jillian Lopez, and I'll let the guys take it away.
Golden Knights. Oh.